Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the House of Tone. My name is Wes Lee. I'm a professional band instrument repair technician. I started a YouTube channel to show what my life is like in the trades. I appreciate you coming around. So today's video, going to be showing a new product. I'm very excited about this. Let's go to the mailbox. This product, something that we use every day, but it's been redesigned and upgraded, and this one is really cool. Two things about band instrument repair techs. They either have really good ninja reflexes or they wear boots, because this always happens when you're trying to put your cast iron V-block in your vise. All right, now you know what this is about. Let's check this out. This is our old tried and true cast iron V-block. Been around for a long time. My vise doesn't have a V-block built into it, so I use V-blocks. Check this out. New design from Ferree's tools. Check that. Same size, about a quarter of the weight. It is super hard and rigid. Check this out. You don't have to worry about dropping. We're trying to control it with a mandrel inside. It's got magnets on it, holds it in place. How cool is that? Super tight and durable, tough. I don't know why you would be hitting your V-block with a ball peen hammer, but it'll take it. When you're done with your tool, back it out, V-block stays put. That's a big deal for me. So this is a really cool piece, really well made, stays in the line with their composites that they're putting out with the bell mandrels and other things. Really useful tool. This is for your rods that go on a diagonal. It is a carbon copy of the original cast irons. Check it out. So if you're following along, you'll get to see me put it through its paces while we work on this sousaphone. This is our next victim. A big full D-dent. We're going to put that V-block through its paces, holding the tools for this. I already know how strong it is. I've kind of been using it for a couple of weeks here. So this is the L14 V-block. I highly recommend checking this out. These are going to be great additions to my toolbox. Very cool. I love the addition of the magnets. That's great. Very cool. Thanks, Ferree's tools. Appreciate it. Y'all check this V-block out. Hey, thanks for coming by the shop today. I appreciate all the support. This is Wes Lee, signing out.